new golden egg in Nug VR if you want to get a free 1,000 nugs. So let's get into the video. So first, grab a dinosaur and then go to Cog Canyon, from what my cousin's telling me. First, you gotta find a face hugger with a golden egg in its mouth, which
and kill the Tyrug.
Is about right here. I'm pretty sure. Might be there. Nope,
Here,
wrong one.
I can show you.
Okay.
It's one of them. One of the ones near there. I remember. It might change from lobby to
Can you
lobby.
distract the Tyrug? So you gotta find one with the, and then you gotta grab the golden egg out of the face hugger's mouth while it's biting your face. That's very creative. No!